आरम्भं करोतु महोदय।
अस्तु। नमो नमः सर्वेभ्यः। ॐ वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरुब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। नमो नमः।
श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम्। धन्यवादः महोदय। उत्तमरीत्या प्रार्थना कृतवान् महोदय। सो
धन्यवादः।
इदानीं किञ्चित् पुनरावलोकनं कुर्मः। So up till now we have come to the end of Kasya Prashnavachakah, dealing with many varieties, means Kasya and then Kesham and then Kasyah and Kasam. All these things we dealt with. Little bit Punaravalokanam is avashyakam atra. So the last class, two things were we were a little bit in doubt and we were slightly stuck here, not fully, because the time was running out. I thought may be discussed in the next class. So Stri and Gauri, how to decide where Stri will become Stri Naam athwa Stri Naam. So I thought these Varna Vinyasa are important. How to deal with them. So Varna Vinyasa means when we break the Stri Shabda into its consonant and swaraha, that is Varna Vinyasa. So Stri, you see that Ardhasa, then Ardhata, then Ra, Ardha, then E swaraha becomes Stri. And when we have to add Naam here, we will do how? Sa, Ta, Ra, E swaraha, and Naam, how Naam will be splitted? Na, A, and Ma. So now we have to decide whether Stri Naam is correct athwa Stri Naam is correct. So it was the word was given to, I think, Fadiraji Mahoday, to you or someone else. I just forgot.
I got Gauri and
Okay.
the gentleman, I think, no.
Avadhuta.
Avadhut Mahoday, correct. Avadhut Mahoday.
Okay. Okay. So I was just wondering how to help you people with this very slight mention of all these things, not to go into the full slides. So Stri Naam and Stri Naam, which one is correct? Avadhut Mahoday have joined the class. Avadhut Mahoday asti va?
I can't say him.
Okay. Chinta nasta. We will do it. So we know that between Nimittam, Repaha, Murdhanya Shakaraha, and Rukaraha, Rishi Rukaraha, after that immediately follows the Na. So in between, if this Nimittam here you see the second line where Stri Naam is splitted. So here Repa is here, Ra is here, And when we see that na, it comes in between, a swaraha is there. So this means this follows the rule of Tatvam. So ra and na, in between, if swaraha comes, athwa any swaraha, athwa ha ya va, athwa ka varga or pa varga, if these varnas come here, the nakara changes into nakara. So because the rule satisfies, that's why this na will change into na. So what will the final result will be? Sri Ram. Clear? Is it okay, everyone? अस्तु. So Fariraj Mohoday, भवान् एव explain करोतु. Gauri.
Gauri split g, halant g plus au, swara au plus halant a, r plus swara alpa swara e.
Dirgha swara.
Dirgha.
Gauri.
अस्तु स्त्रीलिंग खलु अस्तु सो गौरी नाम अत्र किं भवति महोदय अत्र रेफा अस्ति
ग औ र रेफा अस्ति
और in between we have e swara so it will be natvam.
Astu. So nakarah will change into nakarah and lam will become lam because all these swaraha, whether e, u, a, whatever comes, they are all friendly with natvam rule. That is why Gauri Nam is not correct. Gauri Ram is correct. So here on the right side, I have written a small question. Why Ramayana has Natvam, whereas Raman no Natvam? Can anybody explain? When you write Ramayana, it is Ramayana is correct, not Ramayana. And when you say Raman, there is no Natvam, it never becomes Raman. Why? Ra, ma, na, here also, that na changed into na. And here also same aksharas are there. Ra, ma and na.
Is it because the last letter is halant?
Yes, that's right. Whenever you see na as halant na, halant na means short, hard stop, na. It will never change into Natvam. Natvam needs complete na. Na with swaraha api avashakam. So that is why when we today we are going to deal with Tritiya Vibhakti and Kena Prashnavachakaha. There Tritiya Ekvachanam is Ramayana. And Dvitiya Bahuvachanam, we know it is Raman. All these letters are same, still one is Ramayana and another is Rama. So you will see in the later slide more clearly and you will come to compare. Agre Gachamaha. So this is all Shashti Vibhakti and Prashnavachakaha we dealt with. Just a quick recap of all those things. Ramaha is a Prathama Ekvachanam. And Rama is the Pratipadikam. Shashti Ekvachane Ramasya and Bahuvachane Rama Ram. Again, Natvam is going to bother you again and again. So be clear about why not Ramanam, why Ramanam. So all these things you have to think. Whenever you encounter such words, think about Natvam. Natvam is very important. So Harihi, Shashti Ekvachane, Hare and Harinam. Guruhu Ukaranta Pullingaha, Guroh Shashti Ekvachanam and Gurunam. Similarly, when we come to Strilinga, there are two varieties, Akarant and Dirgha Ikarant. Generally, there are many, but at this level, we are going to focus on these two, Akarant and Dirgha Ikarant. So when we deal with Akarant, for example, Balika, Balika Shashti Ekvachane becomes Balika Yah and Balika Nam. Janani Dirgha Ikaraha, it becomes a Jananyah, Janani Nam. So when you drop Janani Ikar, last Ikar, if you drop the Swaraha, means you are dropping Swaraha. I am talking about Janani. So E Dirgha Ikaraha Swaraha, if you drop, what remains is this last Na becomes a consonant Na. It becomes a Janan. So Janan, when added with Yah, this takes this Jananyah form. So this way you can memorize it. And Janani becomes a Janani Nam Shashti Bahuvachane. It retains its form and adds Nam to it. Wherever you say Vastram is there, so Vastrasya and Vastranam. So this is Napulsakalinga Shabdaha. It drops Makaraha and takes Ya, like Rama, Ramasya. So Vastram, Vastrasya. Ramaha drops Visargaha. Here Vastram Napulsakalinga Shabdaha asti. Ataha Makaraha is dropped. And Vastranam again Natvam. So all this table just to have a quick look what we dealt up till now. So Prashnavachakaha ke santi kasya kesham for pullinga ekavachanam kasya bahuvachane kesham and strilinge kasyaha ekavachane shashti and bahuvachane it is kasam. So this we did, and so many homework also was based on this. Agre, this slide I brought for you. Just wanted to be sure whether the concept of Sashti Vibhakti is clear to all of you. Just wanted to be sure. So this is a very simple sentence. Anybody else has recently joined? Please say your name. I have Ishwaran Mahoday, Parvati Mahodaya, Praniraj Mahoday, Tulsiram Mahoday. Anybody else? Avadut Mahoday have joined here.
Yeah, I'm Mahoday.
And anybody
Smita.
else?
Smita.
Smita.
Smita. Astu.
Uma.
Smita.
Amarnath.
Amarnath Mahoday.
Uma ma'am.
Yeah. Uma I have written. Oh, Smita. Yeah. So now I have Amarnath Mahoday. I have picked you. Ishwaran Mahoday is here.
As of now, we have got 9 people.
8.
Oh.
Including you, 9.
Yes.
Yeah. Otherwise 8. Yeah. So I'm first I call Amarnath Mahoday. Bhavanev prarambham karotu. Pathatu etat vakyam. Prathamam vakyam. महोदय अस्ति वा अमरनाथ महोदय
आम्
महोदय एतत् वाक्यं प्रथमं वाक्यं पठतु we are just doing a recap of Shashti Vibhakti.
प्रश्नं किम्
you have to read this fourth sentence प्रथमं वाक्यं पठतु
पुनरवलोकनम्
revisiting. Avalokanam is to see something. So revisiting. We are revisiting the concept of Shashti Vibhakti. So prathamam vakyam pathatu Mahoday. Kunti.
Kunti Pandavanam Janani.
Pandavanam.
Kunti Pandavanam Janani. Janani.
Yes. So you have to ask a question, Mahoday, in such a way that once you get the answer Kunti, and secondly you get the answer Pandavanam. Can you put such a question here?
Mm,
First, how you get the answer as Kunti? Samadhanam Kunti.
um, Ke Kasam. Is it?
No.
Ka
Sapurnam Vakyam
Kunti.
vadatu.
Oh, so Kunti Kasam Janani. Janani.
The sentence you formed is well, but you have to see that Kasam is applied where.
For Pandavanam.
So it should be Kesham,
Kesham.
because Pandavanam all Pullinga.
Yes.
Pullinga
I was
Shabda.
reading it to Kunti. Kunti.
Ah,
So Kunti Kesham Janani.
hmm.
Kunti Pandavanam Janani.
Uttamam. So Kesham Janani Kunti, Pandavanam Janani Kunti. So you did a very good question and you got the answer Kunti. Now put a question so that you get the answer Pandavanam.
Hmm. Oh. Ka Pandavanam Janani.
Uh,
I'm not sure I'm understanding.
no. You have to Kasya Janani. Means Ka. Yeah, that's very correct. Kunti Pandavanam Janani. So now you got the answer Kunti Pandavanam Janani. So you have to find out the answer as Pandavanam.
So Kunti Kesham
Janani.
Janani.
Kunti
Kunti Pandavanam Janani.
Janani. Astu. Now, Ishwaran Mahoday, Bhavan Vadatu. Sa Janani Nam Naika.
सा जननीनां नायिका
Hmm.
कस्य नायिका
Janani Nam is a Strilinga Shabdaha. So you
Okay.
have to bring in so that you get the answer Sa.
केशम
Kesham is for Pullinga Mahoday.
okay कस्य
Kasam.
कासाम
Kas-
okay कासाम नायिका
Yeah.
सा जननीनां नायिका
Sa Janani Nam Naika. So Ka, who is she? Janani Nam Naika Sa. Anybody else can try?
May I try? Mahoday?
Avashya करो.
Ah. कस्याः जननीनां नायिका.
The Kasyaha Nana. तत् सम्यक् नास्ति.
कासां जननीनां नायिका.
Kasam.
Sorry, ma'am. Ka Janani Nam Naika, Sa Janani Nam Naika.
हाँ, this is better. This is
Oh.
better. Ka Janani Nam Naika Sa. Who is the leader of all the mothers? So Sa is the Naika. Sa Naika. Ka Naika. Sa Naika. Ka Sam Naika. Janani Nam Naika. Ishwaran Mahoday, now it is clear?
yeah
Astu. Agre पार्वती महोदय भवती करोतु।
फलानां खादनम् आरोग्यकरम्. Start eating fruits.
फलानां
No. Eating fruits is
of
healthy.
fruits. हाँ,
Fruits is
eating
healthy.
fruits is, yes.
So, फलानां खादनम् is Napumsakalinga. So, Kesham खादनम् आरोग्यकरम्, because it's plural, no? Phalanam.
बहुवचने अस्ति. Yes, that is right. केशां खादनम् आरोग्यकरं, फलानां खादनम् आरोग्यकरं. That's all here. अस्तु, अग्रे उमा महोदय भवत्याः अवसरः. अग्रे पठतु.
कौसल्या दशरथस्य पत्नीनाम् अग्रजा. So का दशरथस्य पत्नीनाम् अग्रजा. So who is the eldest among Dashrath's wives? कौसल्या दशरथस्य पत्नीनाम् अग्रजा. और कासाम कौसल्या कासाम अग्रजा. कौसल्या दशरथस्य पत्नीनाम् अग्रजा. So who is the eldest? Among whom is Kaushalya the eldest? So Kaushalya is the eldest among Dashrath's wives.
पत्नीनां. कासाम् अग्रजा, पत्नीनाम् अग्रजा. अस्तु, फणिराज महोदय भवतः अवसरः. फणिराज महोदय भवान् अस्ति वा? अस्तु, अग्रे गच्छामः. He will come and regain his turn. Next I would say Tulasiram Mahoday.
I will try. Actually, I missed few classes. So,
Chinta Dasi Mahoday.
Our question this thing for pulling and strilinga, can you kindly tell once again?
You have to see, there are two things. Vastranam Pachalanam Karoti. Who Karoti? Rajakaha. So you have to ask a question so that you get the answer Vastranam. And you have to ask a question.
I was requesting for repeating that the previous slide. Questions Kasa, Kasya, Kasam, that slide. If you can show again.
I'll tell you. If it is Napunsakalinga Shabdaha, it goes like Pullinga Shabdaha. So whenever Napunsakalinga Shabdaha, like Vastranam is here, if it is Ekavachanam, you have to ask Kasya. If it is Bahuvachanam, Kesham. Astu Mahoday?
Kesham. Okay. Vahananam.
Rajakaha. This one. Rajakaha.
Vastranam prakshalanam karoti. Rajakaha Kesham prakshalanam karoti. Rajakaha Vastranam prakshalanam karoti.
Uttamam. If you say, if you wish to bring the answer Rajakaha as you after your question, how would you ask the question? Rajakaha.
Kasyah Vastranam prakshalanam karoti.
And tatra nasti ata. Who is doing the prakshalanam? Kaha.
Vastranam prakshalanam karoti. Rajakaha Vastranam prakshalanam karoti.
Samyak Mahoday. Samyak. इदानीं फणिराज महोदय अस्ति वा? तस्य अवसरः.
आं महोदय, there was a network issue. I came out of the room.
So I kept this chance for you. Do this Vahananam.
Vahananam Varnaha Pitah. Vahananam. Vahanam. Vahanam is the Napumsakalinga. Ekavachana. No, Bahuvachana.
Vahananam.
Vahananam is Bahuvachan, Napumsakalingam. Varna is the color. Pitaha is yellow. Both are pullinga. So Vahananam Varnaha Pitaha. Kesham Varnaha Pitaha.
Uttamam. Uttamam. Kesham Varnaha Pitaha.
Pitaha.
Uttamam.
Vahananam Varnaha Pitaha.
धन्यवादः महोदय.
So, Mahoday, if I have to ask, what is the color of the vehicle? So,
कः वाहनानां वर्णः कः?
okay, so in that case,
That's a pullinga.
kaha varnaha vahananam. Right?
कः वर्णः? Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
वाहनानां वर्णः किम् अपि सम्यक्. किम्. Okay, कः अपि सम्यक्, किम् अपि. Both are सम्यक्.
Napumsakalinga is kim, na? Question.
Kim is correct, but if you say kaha varnaha vahananam,
Kaha is pullinga, right?
Kaha is pullinga because varnaha, you are talking about varnaha, you are not talking about vahananam. Kaha varnaha vahananam or kim, that's why I said both are correct.
Okay.
Both ways can be said.
Yeah, the Kim thing, right? Mahoday,
Yeah.
Rajakaha Kim Karoti. Rajakaha
Yeah.
Vastranam Prakshanam. That will also, Kim will
Yes.
fit that as well, right?
Kim satisfies here. Yes.
Okay.
Smita Mahoday. क्षम्यताम्, Avadhut Mahoday, did you get your chance?
No, Mahoday.
Okay. So agre pathatu.
Okay. Pustakanam Rachita Kaha. So that is already question. So answer will be Lekhakaha Pustakanam Rachita.
You can say that. Parantu atra mama prashnaha shashti vibhaktyam asti.
Yeah, so
Shashti vibhakti vishaye asti.
yeah, so Lekakaha Kesham Rachayita.
Lekhakah kesham rachayita pustakanam rachayita. This way, now it is correct.
Okay.
So you put a question, and though it was already a prashnavachakah vakyam, parantu very well then. Very well.
Yeah.
So Smita Mahoday, bhavatyaः avasarah andimam vakyam karotu.
विनायकः गणानाम् अधिपति कस्य गणानाम् अधिपति विनायकः गणानाम्
न महोदय गणानाम you have to bring the answer as गणानाम.
Okay. केशां गणाना केशां विनायकः अधिपतिः.
केशाम अधिपतिः विनायकः. Whose अधिपति विनायकः is? So
विनायकः गणानाम् अधिपतिः.
So for gananam kesham, always if it is bahuvachane asti, you have to put kesham as the in case of pullinga shabdaha.
What is the
So
meaning
this
of
way,
ganana? I forgot.
Gana, there were many
Deva
ganas of Shiva. Shiva,
Okay.
This is a different ganaha. Shivasya ganaha. All those ganaha were there. They were serving Ishvaraha. So he was the adhipati of those ganas. Sevakanam.
Isn't it like the group?
Yeah. Gana is a group also. And Gana is one Gana is Shivasya Sevakaha api.
Yeah, they had the departments, different departments.
Yes.
It's
He
an
was
army
head of all
of
the departments.
Followers come army of Shiva.
Yeah.
Followers.
So how does it translate into English?
Gana
Many groups.
Like Vinayaka is the head of or Adipati of the Gadanams, is it?
Yeah, so you can say the Adhipati of Gadanams. Gana, how can there may be some certain sometimes it becomes difficult to exactly translate into English. But
Isn't it also like followers?
Followers also is correct.
Followers come army, both.
Army and upasakah also we can say. Shivasya all upasakah were there. Sevaka. The servants are big. So there are many words you can associate with this.
Yeah.
Gana.
There was different organization structure.
Yes. So he was the Adhipati
Head of
level
that.
and controller.
They also call him Gananayaka, Ganapati,
Gananayaka.
Ganesha. So all this
Yes.
same thing is the head of the Gana.
Yes. So agre gachamaha. So this means the concept is has to be practiced little more, but at least you people know it by the putting questions here and there, some twisting of the sentence, and you get the concept better. Adya kim karishyamaha? Adya pathishyamaha kena. Kena ekavachane. What does this kena means? Kena means by what or with what. This is and it's again a prashnavachakaha, like all other kasya, kesham, putra, kim, kaha, ka. So all those prashnavachakaha. Now we are learning another new prashnavachakaha. Its name is kena. Kena, and we will deal with the ekavachanam only, not bahuvachanam. But we will deal with Pullinga, Strilinga, Napunsakalinga, all Trishilingeshu, Parantu Ekavachane only. So its meaning, by what or with what. We'll see how by what and with what are relevant. So Kena Prashnavachakasya Samadhanam Kim? Kena Prashnavachakasya Samadhanam Tritiya Vibhaktehe Asti. Upakarane Tritiya. So what is this cane? This is upakaranam. So it is written here, it is used to denote the instrument by which or with which an action is performed. We'll see how it makes sense. See here. Cane pullinge ekavachanam. So how this cane comes into concept? First, let us see this slide. I think it's making more sense. Chamasaha, this is a Pullinga Shabdaha, and Deepaha, Sudhakhandaha, Harihi, Guru, all are Pullinga Shabdaha. They are all in Prathama Ekavachanam. When we say Chamasaha, it is a Karta. It is Prathama Ekavachanam, it is a Karta. When this Chamasaha becomes leaving its Karta form and taking another form of some Upakaranam, some equipment, some helping instrument. So how this Chamasaha changes its form? It changes from Chamasaha to Chamasena. Chamasaha is spoon. Astu, spoon. So Chamasaha changes into Chamasena. When it is with Visargaha, it is Karta Swayam. And when this Chamasaha takes the form of Chamasena, it becomes an Upakaranam. An equipment with help of this you perform some action, or by which you perform some action. Like Deepaha, this is Prathama Ekavachanam. When it is Prathama Ekavachanam, it is Karta. When it takes another form, say it is Deepena, so it becomes an instrument here. Similarly, all these are there. Harihi becomes Harina, Guruhu becomes Guruna. So this is all. This is the Chamasena, Deepena, Sudhakhandena, Athva Harina, Guruna. They all convey the meaning of helping some action. Astu? Previous slides we are seeing here. Balika chamasena khadati. When you forget for a second this Jamasena, what is happening here in this sentence? Balika khadati. Very simple sentence. The girl eats. Now, khadati has a simple verb form. It does not convey anything. As soon as you add Jamasena in the sentence, this gives a special some explanation or something, some addition to the khada kriya, khadad kriya. So chamasena khadati. She doesn't hastena sa na khadati. She's not eating with hand. She's eating with chamasena. So the girl eats with a spoon. Okay. So now I call Amarnath Mahoday. Mahoday, Janani Deepena Pujati. What do you understand with this sentence?
With the Deepa lamp, the sister is doing puja.
Janani is sister
Mother.
or Punah?
Mother, sorry, mother.
Mother. So here it is written also, Mahoday.
Yes,
Janani,
I see.
mother does puja with a lamp. So if
I
we
mix-
forget Deepena, so Janani Pujayati. Now put Deepen in between and explain the sentence to me.
Say again. What is you want me to do?
Miss Janani Pujayati. This is a simple sentence.
Janani pujayati. Kena
Ha,
Janani pujayati.
Yes. So they
Janani Deepena pujati. Pujayati.
Yes. So Janani, the mother does puja with a lamp. She is eating with chamasena, and here puja is performed with the help of a lamp. So
Mahoday?
Deepena,
One question. So we can also call Janani Kena Pujayati. Is that also right?
That when you put Kena, you don't have Deepen, number one. Secondly, you have to put a question mark here. So Janani Kena Pujayati, the question mark.
Okay.
So
That's
Ken
also okay.
means, Ken here, by what or with what?
Okay.
As,
So
as
if I have to
you.
ask a question, I can ask Kena Janani Pujayati or Janani Kena Pujayati also okay.
Janani Kena Pujayati, if you write, then you have to put a question mark. Ken is a Prashnavachaka Shabda.
Okay.
So when you use this Kena Prashnavachaka, you have to ask put a question mark here at the end. Instead of Purna Virama, you have to put a question mark here. So Janani Kena Pujayati, yeah, that is a question. I would come to it later. But as you ask me, this is the right way to write. Janani Kena Pujayati, question mark. The answer would be Janani Deepena Pujayati. Okay. Agre Ishwaran Mahoday, Bhavan Karotu. Andimam.
शिक्षकः सुधागण्डेन लिखति.
So what is the meaning also? That also you read, Mahoday?
The teacher writes with a chalk piece.
Chalk piece. So actually Shikshakaha likhati is the main sentence. He writes. Now what is helping in his writing? It may be a pencil, it may be a pen, but here it is a chalk piece. Astu?
The instrument by which she is writing.
Yeah.
The instrument she is writing. She is writing with the Sudha.
If I put here, if I replace Sudha Khandena, I write Hastena. That also Samyak. He is writing with hand. Oh, he is writing with a typewriter or anything. So Shikshakaha, what is the equipment here is being used that comes as an answer to Kena, and it is always expressed in Tritiya Vibhakti Eka Vachanam. So Deep Chamasaha, Chamasena, Deepaha, Deepena. So all these becomes Akaranta Pullingaha what it takes, it drops visarga, takes en, and finally sudha khandena, en. When it is ikaranta pullinga, this visarga is dropped and it takes na athva na. Okay. When it is ukaranta, tatsamaye api visarga tyajatu na athva na, depending upon natvam rule, you have to add here na athva na. So ekavachanam harihi guruhu na athva na, and pullinga akaranta en. This is the rhyming here. अस्तु अग्रे पार्वती महोदय भल्लूकः किं भवति? If it is bhallukah, this pink line is here, no? One.
So bhallukah, to make it into tritiya vibhakti.
Ekavachanam, yeah.
Bhallukena.
Bhallukena.
Bhallu is bear, no?
Bear. Yes.
So how
yes,
can it
bear.
be by bear, with bear?
Oh, there may be many things. He goes with the small boy rides bhallukah.
He plays with the bear.
Bhalluka, okay.
Oh, many ways to express it. So, bhallukah becomes, because akarat pullinga, that is why en is added.
Yeah, bhallukena.
So, agre Uma Mahode, bhavatyaha avsarah. Can you do sadhu?
Sadhu, so ukaranta, sadhu na.
Na, shashti na, nasti atra tritiya ekavachanam. Here is the clue, Mahoday.
Sadhuna.
Punaha vadatu. I'm sorry.
So
See, Guruhu is here to help you. Guruhu is here. Guruhu becomes Guru. Guruna. So sadhuhu becomes
Sadhuna.
Sadhu. Na athva na. That is the question. Na. Yes, that's right. So Natvam should be very on your trips. It should be friendly with you now. So you would be able to do all these things. Agre Paniraj Mahoday. Ashvaha. Can you put
Ashvaha akaranta pullingah tatha third vibhakti will be Ashvena.
Ashvena. Mahoday, try to remember Tritiya vibhakti. Try to say it like that. Chinta nasti. With practice it will come. Ashvena. Uttamam. Tulsi Ram Mahoday, Bhavan Karotu, Agre.
Kapihi, Ikaranta, Pullingah, Kapina.
Kapina. Uttamam.
Na, it is not a na, and Nattam is not there. Kapina.
Yeah. Uttamam Mahoday. Agre Avadhut Mahoday, Bhavan Karotu, Bhikshukah.
Yeah, we just did. Bhikshukena.
Bhikshukena. Uttamam. Smita Mahoday, Agre Karotu.
Agni. Agnena.
Punaha Chintayatu. See, Harihi is here. Harihi, how it transformed to Harina. So Agni will become what?
Agnina.
Agnina. Uttamam. Agnina. Agre Amarnath Mahoday, Nripaha. Ityasya tritiya vibhakti ekvachane kim? Nripaha.
Nirpaha, nirpena.
Nirpena. Did you say Natvam na here?
But the pa is there that is not stopping Natva?
Na. Kavarga and pavarga both are friendly.
Kaparga. Okay.
Both are friendly.
Nrpena.
Nrpena. Uttamam.
Natva asti.
Yes. Agre, Ishwaran Mahoday, can you do Panihi?
Paninam.
Pani na. Ma nasti. If you write Pani nam, it will become Shashti Bahuvachane. So here we are dealing with Ken, and it's a Samadhanam is in Tritiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Pani na.
Panina.
Pani na.
Okay.
Hari na. Okay.
Panina.
So, pani na. And you have to take care of Natvam. Okay. So, Agre Parvati Mahoday.
Mahoday.
Shatruhu.
Shatruhu. Ukaranta. Pullinga ukaranta. Shatruna. Natva na.
Ratvam bhavati athva na bhavati.
Natvam bhavati.
Uttamam. Shatru na.
Na. Shatru na.
Yeah. Uttamam. Samyak. Agre Uma Mahoday. Bahuhu. Karotu.
No. Natvam will apply.
Bahuhu.
Bahuhu. Bahuna.
Bahu na. You say you are saying that Natvam will apply.
Yeah, because it's her varga.
हाँ महोदय, परंतु एक it's a very important thing. At first place you should have nimittam. First thing you have to check whether repaha, rishi, athva murdhanya shakaraha, one of the three is here or not. So you see that bahuhu, nothing is here. So when the nimittam is not there is no question of natvam. Okay. So whenever bahuna, agre gacchamaha. So we are dealing with Tritiya Vibhakti today. So here it is akaranta, pullinga, ikaranta and ukaranta. All three are given at one place so that you have them in one look, a broader view. Okay, how? Karta. Karta means Prathama Vibhakti Ramaha and Bahuvachane Ramaha. This green one I am focused on. Karma Dutiya Vibhakti Ramam and it becomes Bahuvachane Rama. Just revising. And this Kena and Upakaranam, with the help of what we are getting something done. This is called Kena and its Samadhanam lies in Tritiya Vibhakti. So we are dealing with Ekavachanam. And we already did a small revision also we did today. Shashti Vibhakti Ekavachanam and Bahuvachanam. Ramasya Ekavachanam and Bahuvachane Ramanam. And Kutra Sthalam, Samadhanam was Sthalam. So this was Saptami Vibhakti, Rame and Rameshu. So this is Akaranta Pullinga. This table has another one. This is Ikaranta Pullinga. So Prathama Harihi Harayaha, Harim Harin Dutiya, Hare Harinam Shashti, Harau Harishu Saptami, and Harina we are dealing today. So Ukaranta Pullinga, Guruhu, Guravaha, Gurum, Gurun, Bahuvachane. Guroh, Gurunam is the Shashti. Ukaranta, Gurau, Gurushu. Harau and Gurau both are Aukaraha. Harishu, Gurushu, they also are the same. So if you have this table before you, go through it again and again, and you will find that gradually you are memorizing things. So Ramena, Harina and Guruna. Don't put ma here. If by mistake you put ma, then it immediately goes into Shashti Bahuvachanam. So it is only Guruna, it is only Harina. Ma is not there. Makara not there. Astu agre gachamah. Small question here. This Balika and in between this table is there, and the last is the Kriya Padam. Balika, this is the Karta. Balika, Janakah, Aham, Nripah, Saha, Deva. All they are Karta. They are doing with the help of this middle one and performing some kind of action. So we will do one by one. Now it is Paniraj Mahoday, Bhavan Karotu. Prathamam, Balika, you have to with the help of
Pibati. Balika hastena pibati.
Astu, Uttamam. Grammatically correct sentence. Hastena pibati. Astu, Agre Tulsi Ram Mahoday. Can you put somewhere Janakaha and one of these and the action?
Janakaha केन ताडयति जनकः दण्डेन ताडयति.
उत्तमं, सम्यक्, ग्रामेटिकली करेक्ट. अग्रे अवधूत महोदय, भवतः अवसरः. टेक अहं.
या, अहं हस्तेन खादामि.
अहं हस्तेन खादामि. उत्तमम्, उत्तमम्. Whenever you see Prathama Purushah and Uttama Purushah, Madhyam Purushah, be sure that Madhyam Purushah and Uttama Purushah, they have specific verb endings. Like aham, it should only be khadami. So aham khadami. How did you punah vadatu mahoday?
Aham hastena khadami.
Uttam, uttam. Agre Smita Mahoday, भवत्याः अवसरः.
नृपः रथेन प्रयाणं करोति.
प्रयाणं करोति. नृपः रथेन प्रयाणं
करोति.
उत्तमं महोदय. अग्रे अमरनाथ महोदय, सः, take this सः and complete the sentence. Amarnath Mahoday.
Sorry, I do call someone else. Saha. Saha ghatena gachati.
Ghatena gachati. Grammatically it is correct, Mahoday.
Yeah. I thought it was like gut, but I think gati.
Ghata is kumbha, a pot, pitcher pot.
Sorry. Okay.
So anything that can be a vahanam here.
Saha ghatena jalam aanayati.
Saha ghatena jalam aanayati. That's right, Mahoday. Dhanyavada. Uttamam. Agre Ishwaran Mahoday, Devaha, can you take this?
Yeah. Devaha. Rathena gachati.
Rathena gachati. Okay, that's correct. That's correct. Or you can say, Mahoday, Devaha Garudena Prayanam Karoti.
Okay.
Acha, Vasavraj Mahoday, Bhavana asti va.
Yeah, I was going to say the same thing. Deva Garudena Prayanam Gachati. But you said that.
Because nobody has used Garudena.
Yeah, Devaha Garudena
Prayanam.
Prayanam Karoti or Gachati. Devaha Garudena Gachati.
Samyak Mahoday, Samyak. Agre. Now we have come to Strilinga Shabdaha. So here, who should write? Basavaraj Mahoday, Bhavanev Pathatu. Mahoday, Basavaraj Mahoday.
Sorry, I was on mute. Chatrah dvichakrikaya gacchati. The student goes by bicycle. So the instrument here is bicycle.
Bicycle. With the help of bicycle, he is doing the action of going.
Yeah. Chatra dvichakrikaya gacchati. The next, you want me to continue?
Nana Mahoday, if I say, ask a question, how would you ask a question so that you get this dvichakrikaya in the answer?
Kena chatrah gacchati? Question mark.
Yes. Dvichakrikaya
chatrah dvichakrikaya gacchati. So it cannot be dvichakrika. Dvichakrika is a car, right? So why dvichakrikaya or not? Why not dvichakrika kena?
No, because Strilinga Shabdaha,
Oh, this is Strilinga.
it
Okay.
will come. It will come in the next slide, Mahoday.
Okay, okay.
This is just to give you an introduction.
Okay.
And later on we will explain what happens and what transforms into what. Agre Avadhuta Mahoday, Dvitiyam Vakyam Pathatu.
Mahila Malaya Alankaroti. The woman decorates with the garland. So here Malaya. Mala.
Mala. Mala is a garland. With mala or with the help of mala, she is doing some wear some rangoli or alankaranam. So she is taking this mala's help. Mala as an instrument, and with the help of that, she is performing her action. So Mahila kena alankaroti.
Mahila Malaya Alankaroti.
Alankaroti. Uttamam Mahoday. Smita Mahoday, Bhavati Pathatu.
Balika lekhanya likati.
Lekhanya.
Balika lekhanya likati. The girl writes with a pen.
So, put a question. Ken.
Balika ken likhati. Balika lekhanya likhati.
Lekhanya. Lekhanya.
Balika lekhanya likhati.
Uttamam Mahoday. So, next slide tells us what becomes what and how. So, Dvichakrika athva balika, whatever you imagine, the last akar, this is dropped, and what is become Dvichakrika. And after that you add ya. Dvichakrikaya, wrong. Dvichakrikaya is right. So mala, akara, you drop it and add here ya. So it becomes malaya, malaya. Lekhani. Now drop this last dirgha ikara matra. As soon as you drop ikara, na becomes a consonant na. Na halanta. So na becomes half. When you add ya, it becomes like this. Lekhanya. Gauri. Ri ikara, drop it. And it becomes gaur, half ra. And when added with ya, it becomes a gaurya. So this way, this word takes a tritiya ekvachanam form. So now Amarnath Mahoday, do lata. How would you do lata?
Lataya.
Lataya. Uttamam. Isharan Mahoday, Bhagini.
Bhaginaya. Bhaginiya.
Bhaginya. No is half.
Bhaginya.
Uttama Mahoday. And coming to Parvati Mahoday, Shatika Karoti.
Shatikaya.
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 Uttamam. Shatikaya, galat, wrong. So what is right? Shati kaya.
Kaya.
Uttamam. Uma Mahoday, Kartari.
Kartarya.
Kartarya.
So it is
Gaurya.
different from Shashti Vibhakti.
Yes. Yeah, this
Because
is
the last
Tritiya.
A gets dropped and that Visarga is not there.
Yes, yes. That is, means you are talking about Lekhani or Gauri.
Gauri. And
Yeah,
Gauri.
Gauryaha, Nadyaha, that is Shashti. It's not here. Gaurya only. Okay. So, Agre, Paniraj Mahoday, Vruddha.
Ruddha. Ruddaya. Ruddaya.
Vruddha. Vruddhaya. Uttamam Mahoday. Tulsi Ram Mahoday. महोदय अस्ति वा तुलसीराम महोदय?
Yes,
my mic was muted.
चिन्ता नास्ति.
सरस्वत्या.
सरस्वत्या. उत्तमं. त ईकारः, दीर्घ ईकारः is dropped.
Is dropped and ya is added to Saraswatya.
Yes, उत्तमं महोदय. अग्रे वसवराज महोदय, पेटिका भवान् करोतु.
Yeah, पेटिकया. पेटिका. पेटिकया.
Yes, उत्तमं महोदय. अवधूत महोदय, देवी कथं भवति?
देवी, देव्या.
देव्या. देव्या. स्मिता महोदय, घटी कथं भवति?
घट्या.
घट्या. त्या.
घट्या.
So अग्रे सरामः. So what we see in that slide, previous slides, it is like this. When you say karta, it is Sita athva Sitaah bahuvachane. Karmapadam Sitam and Sitaah bahuvachane. Upakaranam, what we are studying today, this is Sitaya. And we already did Kasyaha athva Kasam Shashti Vibhakti Sitayaah, Sita Naam. And Kutra Sthalam, this is Sitayam and Sitasu. So what is happening? We see the Prathama, we saw second, Dvitiya Vibhakti, we saw Shashti Vibhakti and Saptami Vibhakti. So Tritiya, this is Kaya means Tritiya. Kena becomes Kaya. So slightly a different thing happens, that it is Kaha, Ka ke Kah, then Kaya Kabhyam Kabhi. Kena becomes a Strilinge Kaya. I'm sorry if I missed something here. Chhatraha. This one, Malaya Alankaroti, Kaya Alankaroti. I'm sorry, I missed it. Mahila Malaya Alankaroti, Kaya Alankaroti. Just 1 minute.
So the heading has to be not Kena, it has to be Kaya.
Kaya. I picked up the slide, now immediately realized there is a mistake. Astu. So this is Kaya actually for Strilinga Shabdaha. And it is Sitaya. Kaya, Sitaya. And Kasyaha Kasam, correct. Shashti, Bahuvachanam, Ekavachanam. And Saptami is correct. Agre Gachamaha, then this is Ikaranta, Tatatsu Strilinga Shabdaha. The question form will be Kaya and Nadya. Nadyaha, Shashti Nadinam, and Nadyam Nadishu is Saptami. So this is the Prashtavachakaha, changes little bit. And actually the topic was given Kane only. That's why I did not focus on this. Chinta mastu. If at all it has come, so let us do it also. So this is Strilinga Shabdaha, Kena becomes a Kaya. And all other things we studied is correct. Okay. So here when we come to this slide, it will solve the puzzle. So कस्य अवसरः? अमरनाथ महोदय, भवान् एव करोतु. किमपि कर्ता और प्रथमं कर्ता. This प्रथमः.
Mahodaya, again it is kena in the heading. It has to be kasya, no? Kaya, sorry.
Yes, kaya. Strilinga shabdah is there. I will correct it. Kena strilinga is not kena, it is kaya.
Oh yeah, kaya. Hold on. Let me think. One moment. Okay, got it. Bhavan Vaidya. So is that right? Yeah, Vaidyaya. Bhavan.
What do you wish to say, Mahoday? कृपया आंग्ल भाषायां वदतु.
Vaidya in Tritiya Vibhakti is
Vaidya. This is second one you are opting.
Yeah, Vaidyaya.
Vaidyaya.
Oh, it is Vaidyaya. Okay. Bhavan Vaidyaya Chikitsam Prapnoti.
Bhavan Vaidyaya Chikitsam Prapnoti. This grammatically is correct. Otherwise, you can opt one more thing. Bhavan is basically you. If we say Tvam or you say Bhavan. So both are one and the same thing. You can say Tvam also and you can say Bhavan also.
Yeah, but if you say Tvam, then you have to use Madhyama Purusha.
Yeah, yes, that's right.
But for Bhavan, you can use that Purusha.
Prathama Purusha.
Yes, Bhavan is Prathama Purusha. And also, have you people in Tuesday class read about Lot Lakaraha, Agya Prarthana?
Yes.
Have you done that?
Yes, we did.
Okay.
Yes.
So if you take it as, if you understand that Tvam is written here, I'm not talking about Tvam grammatically, just to indicate you, Madhyam Purusha. So what happens? Bhavan, then Likhatu. May you please write. You write. Okay. So Bhavan may go with the Likhatu.
Yeah.
Yeah. So anything that helps in writing.
Lekhani.
And then here it is it Lekhani here, Mahoday? Ankani is
no,
here.
Lekhani, Ankani.
Ankani. This is pencil. So how it will become?
So Bhavan Ankani Likhatu.
Ankanya.
Ankanya. Bhavan Ankanya Likhatu.
Likhatu. You please write with pencil. So this way. Bhavan Ankanya Likhatu. Astu. Ishwaran Mahoday.
Sa Vaidya Chikitsyam Prapnodi.
That is correct, Mahoday. Vaidya will become Akara is drop.
Vaidyaya.
No, Akara is drop.
Vaidya.
Vaidya. Ya.
Oh, Vaidya. Ya. Okay.
Akara is drop. And in place of it, ya is added. Vaidyaya. Sa Vaidyaya Chikitsam Prapnoti. Correct. Correct, Mahoday. Samyak. Parvati Mahoday. Bhavati vadatu. Janani.
Janani becomes Jananya. Jananya.
No, Janani. Janani, you
Wait, sorry,
cannot.
sorry, no. Janani, roti.
Ha.
Somewhere I saw roti, no? No, gati. Velanya, rotikam pachati.
Velanya rotikam
Rotikam pachati.
Uttame. With the help of Velani, she does the rotika.
Roti, yeah.
She does the roti. Agre Uma Mahoday,
I
Rugnaha.
think she dropped.
Okay, astu. Faniraj Mahoday.
Yeah, so from the point of view of meaning, Rugnaha Vaidyaya Chikitsam Prapnoti. Rugnaha Vaidya Chikitsam Prapnoti.
Chikitsam, because Rugnaha is relevant little bit, but grammatically what was taken was correct. So we may form many combinations here. Okay. Tulsiram Mahoday, Vayam.
Vayam Naukaya Taramaha.
Uttamam Mahoday, Uttamam. So as soon as you see Prathama Uttama Purushaha, Madhyam Purushaha, you immediately check the Kriya form because that will help. So Taramaha will only come with Vayam.
Plural.
Bahuvachane.
Plural.
Mahoday, Bahuvachane asti. Ataha Taramaha will go with Vayam. So Vayam, Naukaya, what did you mention here? Naukaya?
Taramaha.
Uttamam. Astu agre Vasavraj Mahoday, Bhavtaha Apsaraha.
Saha Rangavalya Alankaram Saha Rangavalyam Alankaroti. Rangavalya Alankaroti. So you decorate with Rangavalli.
You have taken Saha. So Saha means he. He decorates.
He decorates with Rangavalli.
So agre Avadhuta Mahoday. You do.
Yeah, which one?
Just you do this Janani.
Okay. So Janani Ghatya Samayam Janati.
Ghatya Samayam Janati.
Janati. Sorry. Yeah.
Janati. Uttamam Mahoday. Smita Mahoday. Take Sa.
Sa Rangavalya Alankaroti.
Uttamam. Sa Rangavalya Alankaroti. Uttamam. So, this previous slide, whatever the question we will form, we will say Kaya Chikitsam Prapnoti, Kaya Rotikam Pachati, Kaya Taramaha. So Kaya, because we are dealing with Strilinga Shabdaha, Tritiya Ekavachanam, the Prashnavachakaha will be Kaya. This is wrong. I'll fix it after the class. Please make a note here. I did not notice. Kshamyatam, again and again I say sorry. I forgot. I just did not. I missed it. Agree. So this is, now it is correct. Kena Napunsakalinge Ekavachane. So here we are dealing with Napunsakalingam. We know that the Pullinga Napunsakalingam, they go hand in hand. They go whatever Pullinga Shabdaha, same way Napunsakalinga Shabdaha, because Tritiya onwards they are the same. Rupani go all same. So Ken, by or with what? Napunsakalinge Ekavachane. Now Amarnath Mahoday, Bhavan Pathatu. Prathamam.
From Balaka.
Yes.
Balakaha kena kridanti. Balakaha kundakena kridanti.
Kandu.
Kandukena.
Kandukena kridanti. One very important mention here, kena athva tritiya ekvachanam will never have halanta in it. Sometimes I see this mistake. The kena, they put halanta here. That is wrong. Kena and kandukena. No halanta. Okay. Akaranta pullinga dvitiya bahuvachanam.
Oh, sir.
That has halanta.
Good morning. Class
Okay.
Huh?
Agre Ishwaran Mahoday.
Fine. Anna ka pannungo. Next class.
Bhaktah kena Shivam pujeti.
Shivam.
Shivam pujeti.
So what do you understand, Mahoday? The Angla Bhashayam vadatu. Bhaktah kena Shivam pujayati.
Bhakta with which he is doing the puja.
Yes, with the help of what? With what or with which he is doing the puja. So, kena, the samadhanam is, yeah.
Dudadena.
Dugdhena.
Okay. Dugdena Shivam pujeti. With the help of the
milk, doodh,
milk. Okay.
dugdha, Shivam, he is doing puja. Parvati Mahoday, Pathatu Mahoday.
Griham. No, Jana. Janaha kena prayanam kurvanti. Janaha vimanena prayanam kurvanti. Vimanena. How did the people travel? The people traveled by plane.
By plane. They with the help of or by what or with what they do the prayanam with the vimanam. So vimanena prayanam kurvanti. Astu Mahoday griham tritiya ekvachane kim bhavati? Parvati Mahoday.
Grihena.
Grihena athva
na. Natvam it will come. No
Grihena.
No, ha. Yes. Oh, ha comes between ra. So grihena natvam, right?
Natvam happens because her, your, they are also friendly.
Yeah.
Her, your, all swaraha, ka vargaha, pa vargaha.
So then natvam applies.
Yes. So griham became grihena.
Yeah.
Uttamam Mahoday. Uma Mahoday, she dropped, I think. Paniraj Mahoday, Bhavanam, Kim Bhavati?
Bhavanam, Bhavanena.
Bhavanena. Uttamam. Tulsi Ram Mahoday.
Netram, netrena, natvam comes.
Uttamam Mahoday. Basavraj Mahoday.
Parnam, Parnena.
Parnena. Uttamam Mahoday. Avadhut Mahoday. Sasyam.
Sasyam, Sasyena.
Sasyena. Uttamam. Smita Mahoday. Mandiram becomes
Mandiren.
Mandiren. Na athva na.
No.
See, you see nimittam here. Ra. Ra is nimittam. After that, ma is there. You have to either think it should be converted into na or na. So when you see ra here, mandire na athva mandire na. So ra and na together, they may form an anatvam combination, na Mahoday? Smita Mahoday.
Yes.
So mandirena anatvam will happen. Astu Mahoday?
Yes.
Just revise the concept and you will get it. Astu. So this is
Mohoday,
Ha.
sasyam sasyena. There will not be
Yes.
natam here.
No.
No.
Because
Sasyena.
yes, no nimittam you can find. Nimittam not there. Neither repa nor shakara nor rukara. Okay. So that is why sasyam will become sasyena. Okay. And sopanena udyanena. There is no nimittam here in both these. So
Netram has natyam, natvam, na?
yes,
Netrenam.
netrena. No.
Netrena, sorry.
Like in the first slide I showed,
Correct.
na,
Griham,
you do
yeah.
the varna vinyasaha. As soon as you do the varna vinyasaha, you will immediately come to know nattam will happen or not happen. So that will help you. That is why I am practicing a lot these things, because you should practice. Only knowing theoretically will not help. Neither it had helped me. So I too had to practice more and more. So that's why. Even here now I also make mistakes. So we are all learners. So what happens? This akaranta napunsakalinge katham bhavati? Karta is phalam phalani. Karma padam phalam phalani. They are both the same. And as soon as we come to the Shashti, phalasya phalanam and Saptami phale phaleshu. And when we come today's topic, it is phalena. So Ramena, Balakena. Ramena, parantu Balakena. Similarly, phalena. As soon as we come to this no natvam case, it is na only. Agre ekam exercise is here.
Mahoday, Mahoday, the Saptami Bhakti, the previous slide.
Yeah.
Kutra, this sthalam, prayogasya sthalam is also adhikaranam, right?
Yes, adhikaranam.
Adhikaranam, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Shashti is sambandham. This is adhikaranam. This is the adhikaranam is the name of the karakam. What you expressed is the name of a karakam.
Okay.
Okay.
Adhyaham patamaha.
Yeah.
Astu, धन्यवाद.
Vayam upakaranam patamaha. Astu. Agre gacchamaha. So, jhatiti karishyamaha. Kasya avasaraha. I just forgot. Okay. May I call Amarnath Mahoday. Bhavan eva karotu. Chhatra, take it this.
Chhatra pustakena vidyalayam gacchati.
Chhatra pustakena vidyalayam gacchati. Uttamam. Agre Ishwaran Mahoday, Bhavan aham iti swikarotu.
Aham patram sandesham prechayami.
Patram sandesham preshayami is correct, Mahoday. You have very correctly combined aham with preshayami. Parantu patram will become.
Oh, okay.
This is upakaranam.
Okay.
Yes.
Patrena.
Patrena. Uttamam Mahoday. Bahu uttamam. So, aham patrena sandesham preshayami. I send the message with the letter. Agre Parvati Mahoday. Bhavatyaha avsarah. Take bhavati.
Bhavati.
First you go from here to Kriya Padam. Then you will guess which should come.
Karoti. Can be karyam karoti. Or parvayati. सा लोकयानेन विद्यालयं गच्छति.
भवती
भवती sorry, भवती लोकयानं विद्यालयं गच्छति. लोकयाने.
लोकयानेन, you wanted to say, correct?
यानेन, yeah, लोकयानेन विद्यालयं गच्छति.
I have a little difference of opinion here. When you say bhavati, so you are indicating towards someone else who is a lady.
Lady, yeah.
So you, as we saw in the case of Bhavan, so take the Agya Prarthana thing. So,
Krinatu.
yes.
Krinatu. Krinatu is buy, no?
Yeah.
So
may you please buy.
Nanakena Krinatu.
Uttamam Mahoday.
Nanakena Krinatu.
Nanakena is with the coins.
Coins.
May you please buy with the coins.
Coins.
Okay. Yeah. Correct. Correct, Mahoday. Uttamam. Mahoday. Fariraj Mahoday. Saha.
सः सङ्गणकेन कार्यं करोति.
सङ्गणकेन कार्यं करोति. उत्तमं महोदय. अग्रे कस्य? तुलसीराम महोदय.
महिला सूत्रेण मालां गुम्फति.
सूत्रेण मालां गुम्फति. उत्तमं महोदय. उत्तमम्. अग्रे बसवराज महोदय. शिक्षकः.
शिक्षकः पुस्तकेन पाठयति.
उत्तमम्. उत्तमम्. उत्तमं
The
महोदय.
teacher teaches with the book.
Yes. स्मिता महोदय. उत्तमं महोदय. बहु सुन्दर. स्मिता महोदय अस्ति वा?
महोदय.
छात्रा. टेक् छात्रा.
छात्रा पुस्तकेन पाठयति.
छात्रा पुस्तकेन पाठयति. उत्तमम्. करेक्ट सेंटेंस. शी आंग्लभाषायाम् अपि वदतु. What is the meaning? Chhatra. What is the meaning of it?
A student reads a book.
That is it. Pathayati.
Student read.
What is the
read
difference
with
between? What is the difference between pathati and pathayati?
Teaches.
Teach. Teach.
Read by. Right?
Chhatra, the female student, pustakena, with the help of book, pathayati, teaches. Okay?
Teaches with.
Smita Mahoday, correct now?
Yes.
Teachayati, pathayati, teaches, not reads or studies. Pathati, that is reading or studying. Astu. So this slide is also done. Now this I think I will drop this slide here and we will go to you people were interested in finding that now. The time is already over, I think.
Yeah,
what shall the homework should I should give this.
We can do this as a homework, Mahoday.
As a homework. Dhanyawada for this nice suggestion, because I knew it is going to be a longer thing. So this I will one of the things I will give, maybe this will not, I will coin some other sentences, make my own sentences. So here the question and the answer both are given. Okay. We will do something else. And you wanted to know that this, if you at all are willing to stay 5 minutes more, how to get the Rupani, Nama Rupani, and the Dhatu Rupani. You wanted to see that?
Yes, sure.
May
I
I-
think we can do that.
Yes.
Please.
May I take one more, one not at least 2-3 more minutes?
Yeah,
Sure.
sure,
Yeah,
ma'am.
sure, no
Yes.
problem.
So
Okay.
Agresh share करूँगी. Can you see all my screen?
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Sanskrit
Sanskrit
Abhyasa.
Abhyasa.
This the website address is www.sanskritabhyas.in. You will find it, or shall I put it in the WhatsApp group, or you are familiar with the website?
Kindly put it in.
Yeah, I
WhatsApp.
noted that down.
WhatsApp group in
Okay.
प्रेषयतु.
Okay, I will do that. So this website, when you open it, what happens here? You see Mukha Prastham. This will open. This is the main page. It will open. First, here on the right side, above you see Mukha Prastham, Suchana, and then Rupani. As soon as you just touch the drop down, it gives you many options. So first we will go with Nama Padani. Okay, I'm opening it. So you also just do this touching. Don't click it. Touch it and this drop down will happen. You first go with Nama Padani. I'm clicking now. Nama Padani. So here, this appears here. Okay, if I have something, say to write here, Mitra, I will write Mitra. Or you suggest someone use some name you suggest? Guru. Okay.
Three. Okay, yeah.
Guru. Okay. So now click this search button, Guru. What it shows here, it shows that Guru, Shabdarupa, Pratipadikani, and Ukaranta Pullingam. Now you see Ukaranta Napunsakalingam also. Don't go with that because you know Guru is a Ukaranta Pullingam. This website is based on algorithm. So many times you get such things, but you know it is Ukaranta Pullingam. So now you click this Guru. What happens? You get all these forms here.
Wow, that's cool.
Okay.
Yeah.
Correct.
Yes.
Up till now, you are getting it. Up till now. Okay, we will go.
Yes.
Either you go by Pratigachata or you go back from here. Okay, I take Pratigachata. I am back. Okay, I take Hari. Hari. Again, I click this search window. What happens? Pratipadikan. This is Hari is Pratipadikani. Ikaranta Pullingam. Hari Shabdaha. Click this box. Hari. Again, you get all the 7 vibhaktis. Harihi, Hari, Harayaha. What we learned today, Tritiya Ekvachanam, that was Harina. Okay. So, going Pratigachata, I go back again. Say I do Mitra. M-I-T-R-A. Mitra. Okay. So,
Mahoday, this typing is phonetic in English.
yeah, I'm doing some
transliteration.
Yeah,
It's a transliteration keyboard.
Okay.
Yeah,
There are
this
different
is
ways. One you can do
Wait,
type
wait,
in
many
Sanskrit, or you can
ways.
do transliteration.
Azagi I'm using. Okay. So here Pratipadikani, this Mitra is a Pratipadikam. I have put here Akaranta Napunsakalingam. Now I click this Mitra. See. Napunsakalingam, Mitram, Mitre, Mitrani. So all the 7 vibhaktis you get. Now going back. And I am going back. Okay. Now what I do, here I again go to this drop down, and now I click Kriya Padani to find out verb Rupani. How? Kriya Padani. I click this. So now this browser also changed itself. This says Kriya Padani Dhatu Nam Suchihi. Now I am going to say very easy one. Patha. Oh. Patha Dhatu. So Patha, this is Ganaha, means Bhadigana, Adadigana, not, you shouldn't bother about that. Simply say that Patha is the Dhatu. I click this, Patha. And you see, because it's a verb, no, Kriya Padam, so Kartari, Karmani, everything it gives. So you go little down and you see, because you are all studying only Kartari Prayogaha. Kartari Prayogaha. So here, Kartari Prayogaha, if you wish to see Lat Lakaraha, this will give Lat Lakaraha. Okay, so I put it, I click this Lat Lakaraha. Or you wish to see Lot Lakaraha. So recently you studied Lot Lakara. Okay, I'm going to open Lot Lakaraha. Lot Lakara. Okay, so what happens? Pratham Purushaha Pathatu Pathatam Pathantu Patha Pathatam Pathata Pathani Pathava Patham. This Lot Lakaraha is here. These are alternate forms. You better concentrate on Pathatu Pathatam Pathantu. Okay, now I go back and I now choose Lrit Lakaraha, Bhavishyat Kalaha, Lrit Lakaraha. So now it shows Patishyati, Patishyataha, Patishyanti. All the 9 forms are here for Prathama Purushaha, Madhyam Purushaha and Uttam Purushaha. So this is there. I can take some other Kriya Padani, maybe
Da.
you said,
Da.
huh? Da,
Da.
dhatu. Da. Da dhatu. Da dane. Is here Bhadigana, Adadigana. Let's check what is what you have studied. So again, don't click this Sanyuktam. This will benefit you in the later class. But here you go in the Kartari Prayogaha. Then you click Latalakaraha. Yachata. See, the Gana changes and the Rupani changes. Da is also Yachati. Yachati also to give. No, not here. Okay. So now I go to Adadi and Juhotyadi. So let's check this Da. And I go to Kartari Prayogaha Lat Lakaraha. Dadati Dattaha Dadati. You are familiar with this. Correct? So Dadati Dattaha Dadati, Dadasi Dattaha Dattha. So this is Dadvaha Dadmaha. Okay. So this way you can do this. There are, you will be learning in the next class this Kridanta Rupani. So this will also be come into your use. So up till now these two are clear. Nama Padani, Kriya Padani. Nama Padani, write Pratipadikam, Kriya Padani, write that Dhatu. You will have to do many guesswork, hit and trial, but you will learn how to utilize this website. Astu? Okay, stop Karomi. Dhanyavada for staying so long.
So that is called samskritabhyasa.in, right?
Sanskrita Abhyasa. I'll put it in the website, or you also do some. I'll put the spelling here. I read the spelling.
If you can just copy and paste it in the chat.
That is also okay. I will put it. in the chat also, and otherwise Sanskrit, SANSKRIT, Sanskrit Abhyas, ABHYAS.in.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So this
Dhanyawad
way.
Mahoday. It was
This
really
is
helpful.
a very useful
We
one.
saw that website, but I didn't know how to use it. So this was really
Okay,
helpful.
okay, okay.
It was confusing before.
Chinta nasti. So I think I'm going to stop the recording. Okay.